Hello, and welcome to our channel again. Today, we are going to show you a zero-voltage verification process on a high-voltage battery on a Toyota Prius second generation. This application also applies to the third generation. First step, safety is non-negotiable when removing a Gen 2 Prius high-voltage battery. Here is our zero-voltage verification process. First, disconnect the 12-volt auxiliary battery negative terminal. Then we wait 10 full minutes to let the high-voltage capacitors discharge. PPE time. Never skip this. We use Class 0 electrical gloves, inspected for punctures or degradation. Next, pull the service plug grip. Crucial step. Take the plug and put it in a secure location out of reach. This prevents anyone from accidentally plugging it back in while you work. Using a Cat 3 or 4 multimeter, we test our meter on the 12-volt battery first to ensure it's working. As you can see, the multimeter is reading 11.598 volts. Then we test the high-voltage battery terminals to confirm absolute zero voltage. With 0 volts confirmed, the battery comes out safely. Finally, we place a high-voltage warning sign on the pack. Job done safely.